How to change team in EA Sports FC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose other team or select other teams. First of all, open your application. Now here in your home page, you can see this club button on the middle. Tap on this club button. So here in your club section. So here you can see this my team option in the middle. Tap on it again. Now here on the left side, you can see team editing option. Tap on team editing. So this is the place where you can change or exchange team. Here at the bottom you can see this lineups option. Tap on lineups. So this is the place where you can select or choose other teams. So first of all, you must unlock these other teams. You must reach a certain level and then only you can equip or change other teams. So keep on playing and you'll be able to change team from here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.